For decades, physicists couldn't explain this. A perfect spiral pass. The football spins smoothly through the air, slicing forward like a bullet. But here's the mystery. Why does it spiral instead of tumbling? The answer begins with the football itself. Its shape isn't a sphere. It's what scientists call a prolate spheroid, about 11 inches along its long axis and roughly 6.7 inches across its short axis. When the ball spins, something remarkable happens. Gyroscopic stability. The spin creates angular momentum, an invisible force that keeps the ball balanced in flight, like a spinning top that refuses to fall. But here's the paradox. In theory, a spinning object should wobble. Basic physics predicts instability, yet a perfect spiral pass doesn't wobble at all. For decades, physicists struggled to explain why. Then, physicist Tim Gay finally cracked the mystery. He discovered that the ball's spin axis naturally aligns with its direction of travel. In other words, the ball's rotation and its forward motion synchronize, working together in perfect harmony. But the margin for error is incredibly small. A quarterback has only about 0.2 seconds to release the ball. The spin must be almost perfect. Even the slightest mistake, one tiny misalignment, and the spiral collapses into a wobbling tumble. And yet, quarterbacks do it every week in stadiums packed with fans, in front of millions watching at home. One of the most famous moments happened in 1981. During the NFC Championship game, Joe Montana launched a perfect spiral to Dwight Clark. The play became legendary. They called it the catch. A perfect spiral, frozen forever in football history. So the next time you see a spiral pass, remember, you're not just watching football, you're watching physics in motion. A mystery that took decades to understand. Some mysteries take years to solve. But in the end, physics always wins.